Jamaican.
This guy I just met, he promised to give me everything. Like, he even promised to give me a car.
He shot you.
It's not just you. Like, when I met the estate, Jonathan, he promised me a house in Lagos.
Are you playing? What type of
and
plane
guess
is
what?
this?
Whoa.
This is
He
playing.
said he's going to take me to Jamaica. Jamaica? Yes, of course. I mean, this guy is talking about promise to take me to Jamaica too. Are you sure he's not Jamaican man? Oh, the Jamaican man. That guy that is going Mahmoud. That's him. What are you going to do?
Jamaican.
Hey, baby. Baby.
Mama,
My baby.
I told you, money ain't nothing when it comes to Jamaica. I told you, Lekki, but I promise you. I don't transfer the money to them. I don't buy it for you.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
I told you anything for my baby.
Oh, thank you.
Achalugo,
Thank you, baby. Thank you. I love you.
Say no more. It can only be Jamaica or no Jamaica.
I believe in you. My one and only baby.
I will spoil you.
I trust you.
I can hold you.
Thank you, baby.
So, I need. Then,
Yes.
as I don't buy the toll gate for you,
Mm-hmm.
and for you now to follow me go house, no.
Where the receipt of the toll gate?
You see.
Yes.
So you don't trust me now?
I trust you. I mean,
Hmm?
I trust you, but I still need the
No,
receipt.
you don't trust me.
I trust you.
You don't trust me. You don't trust me.
I trust you.
What do you go out? No good.
Follow you go where? Follow you go where?
He shot you.
They say we don't want. Eh? They say, sure say you don't pay my mood, they want to way they want. If now you promise my sister Lekki toll gate.
Lekki toll gate, I don't buy for her. Bad man who you get, and I will make you still in this level.
Okay, you don't make a 5 naira. Your matter don't cast. Where the receipt? Your matter don't cast. Which pocket? Where the receipt? You buy a Lekki toll gate, no short receipt. Now you fit pay 150 money. Where you dey? Scammer. They go.
Money full pocket.
Abeg, they go. See shoe.
Yeah, man. Money no
Use the door, please.